Guys, so ito, kakatapos lang ng work pero may nagkaiyang kaibigan, punta daw ng Chuck E. Cheese. Kasama ko ang Tunanax! So, pupunta tayo ng Chuck E. Cheese. Dun sila, Kaden. You excited, Kaden? Bali, dun ang dito na nag-birthday. Ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapunta dito na dahil. Where are you right now?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Hello ka-dreamers! So, shout out po dun sa nagbusina sa amin, nga kapitbahay namin. Kapitbahay kasi dyan lang din naman siguro. Salamat po sa panonood. You say thank you.
Thank you.
Remove your...
One eternity later.
Hello ka-dreamers! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Wascana Legislative Building. Ito. Yeah, so meron yun, no, may horse doon. Tingnan mo yung... Yeah, there's a horse there, oh. Naka-line up yung mga parents. Ang problema lang dito, parkingan. Ngayon. Naka-line up sila para sasakay sila ng ano, iikot sa buong ano, di ba? Maganda na rin, pwede na rin. Yan o, horse, oh, Ella.
Lock ng horse, oh.
Oh, ang tatangkad ng horse nila dito, in fairness. Mga giant. So, di ba? Kita nyo, guys. Gandang panahon ngayon para ano, sa frost. Mag-picture tayo sa frost. Kasi nag-feature tayo dati, di ba, Daryl? Sige lang, kuya, daan ka lang. Oopsie!
Okay, yung priority.
May nagsisialisan na ba? At mga tayo naman ang next. Tsaka, yung taxi siya. Oh, si Doggy ang priority. Same sila ng hoodie ng boss niya. Ng amo niya. No? Terno. Walang parkingan. Ay, ito yata. Alis na. Ay, hindi pa. Umasa. Ganda ng araw, guys. Sana spring na talaga. Yun lang ang hinihintay namin dito, mga taga Regina. Mga taga Saskatchewan. Spring, spring, spring. So, ewan ko kung may mahanap tayong parkingan. Dito na kami nakahanap ng parking. Yan. Nahirapan ako sa paglabas. Buti na lang. Mapayat na tayo. Char! Oh, come on. Come here. Yeah. Ay, sobrang basta. And guys, yan yung lake. Wascana Lake. Ha? Huh? We're gonna find food. Diba sabi mo you're hungry na? Uy! Free food. So, yan. Free food daw. Ganda dito. Ngayon, kung ganito lang. See, there's a dog walking na.
Yeah. On
Right?
the head.
Yeah. So, look at this. It was a lake before. Now, it was a frozen lake.
Yeah.
So, it was Frost Regina.
Well, I say it's called Frost Regina because of the lake.
Mm-hmm.
That's why. got the feeling of crust.
Yes.
It's just like where the crust has been retarded.
Yes, correct.
It's just
You guys, ginawa nilang
there's
skating
a
rink
smell of
yung
free
lake.
food.
Ha? Ano, Kaden?
Smell of free food.
Smell of food. Gutom na ang lolo. Ay, naku. Yun yung Frost Regina. So, eto na
I
guys.
don't want to buy.
But you're hungry, right?
Yeah.
Uy, may slide doon, okay din.
Slide on, hooray!
But you didn't wear, mababasa yung puwet nyo.
Hindi na where your snow pants.
Yeah.
What you said?
Didn't wear your snow pants. Ay, sana pala dinala ko yung tripod.
Because you don't give me it.
You didn't know we're going here.
So why?
So, yan, may mga
We
photographer
had
on site.
more boys.
Oo. Okay din, you want that? Oh.
I just want to slide. I really know and give me ski pants.
Yeah, we didn't bring your ski pants.
But I just want to go back home and get them.
Huh?
I just want to go back home and go come back here again and start wearing them.
Yeah.
It's your fault, guys. Your guys' fault. Guys' fault.
Sinisisi kami ni Kaden, di daw siya nagdala ng snow pants. Ski pants. Oh, yun yung petting zoo. Yun yung pet.
No.
May pet doon, Kaden.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yung pet. Petting zoo.
There's a pet, oh.
Come on, let's see. You want to slide?
Yeah.
It's cute? It's cute? Yeah, we will clean that later. Look at this, Ella.
Well, you can't.
Take her now. You're going to pet pa eh. Are you done na?
What's that? Should I pet it? What's the very animal?
The furry animals, Kaden.
Is it a winter camel? Is it or something? Is it a winter camel?
Ang cute nun. Ang cute nun, no?
Is that the
You know,
winter
gulo-gulo yung
camel?
buhok.
That is the winter camel.
Yes.
Camel in winter.
There's a sheep, oh.
Sheep! And
Lama
goat.
yung dumudura.
Paano? Parang guys, papunta na tayo dito sa loob. Tingnan natin kung hungry na daw tong si Koya.
One eternity later.
So, yun lang. Inikot lang natin. Tapos petting zoo. Trinay namin pumila sa kasi gutom na daw si Kaden. Kaso naubusan na. Kaya papunta na tayo para kumain. So, we're going na to buy food, okay?
Where do you want to eat?
Where do you wanna eat? You want to go in, Which one? Ayun guys, nakasakay na din kami sa wakas. So, the horsey. They're all so nice. Yeah. Horsey Dorsey.
Dorsey.
Did you say where are we going to eat?
There's hortons.
Tell us the comments below. May pagganon ka pa kayo din, ha?
Yeah, just tell us in the comments below.
So guys, tell us in Ayan, flag ngayon ng Frost Regina. So, saan ba tayo kakain?
I don't know.
I thought you're hungry.
But you can't go to the hortons.
Because Ella doesn't want Tim Hortons. What do you want, Ella?
Maybe Ella goes to Ella's choice, and I go to my choice, okay?
Kanya-kanya na kayo.
So that's better. So they don't need to argue. So the point of us doesn't have to go to one.
Galing naman ni Kaden. No need to argue daw. Kanya-kanya na daw silang pumunta. Di, punta na kayo. Yan guys, balik tayo sa Tim Hortons.
I'm gonna order honey dip this time.
Honey dip
Yeah.
na ano? Honey dip na Timbits?
Yeah.
Okay. So, nakatambay kami ngayon dito kasi may hinihintay kami. Ayun. Hi, Ella! So hot.